Welcome everybody to the live video. Today I have a new update regarding the child tax credit increase for 2024. I had got news yesterday about the House approved the expansion of the child tax credit for 2024. So I got news yesterday, you guys, from my bank partner about the increase to the child tax credit. This is for 2024. So for those of you who have already filed your tax return and those who will be filing it soon, you need to know about this child tax credit increase if you're eligible for this credit and who it affects and who is going to benefit. The tax bill that passed the House on Wednesday night was a vote of 357 to 70. And it does contain the changes to the child tax credit and is retroactive for 2023. The Senate will now have to take up the bill. So it's House, it just has to go to the Senate, and that date is yet not known. It says the key provisions are the child tax credit remains at $2,000 per child for 2023, but the child tax credit will increase in $100 increments based on changes to the CPI if this bill is passed in the Senate. The refundable portion or additional child tax credit will increase in 2023 to $1,800 and will still use the formula of 15% of earned income in excess of $2,500 to determine that allowed additional child tax credit. However, a major change is the additional child tax credit will now be applied, get this you guys, per child basis, which means that low income filers with more than one child, listen up, with more than one child will get the same amount additional child tax credit for each child. So this bill is big. You guys, many low income taxpayers could benefit from this. It says many income taxpayers have not gotten a full additional child tax credit due to the earned income limitation, and this will significantly improve with more than one child. So this is huge if it passes the Senate. Other change to the child tax credit is a prior year income can be used if it is more favorable, but have not verified that this provision will not go in effect retroactively. So we have to wait till everything passes the Senate. Okay, the other provisions, this will help with tax write-off for businesses as well. For bonus depreciation back to 100% for 2023 through 2025 tax year is also effective ends the employee retention credit. A lot of people file their employee retention credit and they shouldn't have, so they're ending it effectively, which pays for the entire bill. All changes go through 2025. This still has not passed by the Senate, but this is huge if it passes to the Senate, and the Senate has not selected a date when it's going to do this and vote on this bill. The IRS wants taxpayers to continue to file early, citing that it will take about 6 weeks to implement these changes if it becomes a law. The IRS, who knows what they would do? I don't know, but they might just adjust refunds automatically. But there's not based no word on when the Senate will gonna go forward with this. But this is huge for low income families. I made sure that I shared this. I'm also sharing the site, the House approved expansion for the child tax credit. You can go to this site right here and learn more about that information, but it should be on the internet for you guys to find it as well. That is huge about the child tax credit. So make sure you read and go to this article, and I'll try to make sure I put in the comments. about approving the child tax credit, the new changes that help low income families. You guys, you have already filed. So if this passes the Senate, they have yet to tell us what needs to happen. So I don't have information with that. And again, the IRS is still encouraging everybody to still file your tax returns early. If you have not filed, you can file your tax return with me. If you are interested, the link is on the bottom of this screen, you guys. And we have been seeing a lot of incomes, the tax advances, and the ones who have been submitting their tax returns, that it been coming early. So you guys, it's a lot going on. It's been a busy tax season already. The tax advances up to 1,000 don't have finance charges, but anything after above 1,000, you have the finance charges on. So I wanted you guys to be mindful of that. And if you haven't watched the other video that I share information about the tax advance loans, make sure that you go check it out. I posted it on yesterday. Also, if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you subscribe to the channel, because I give you the new tax refund updates and new information regarding taxes, building wealth, and about business as well, you guys. Okay? All right, y'all have a great day.